off the other job, all into the next one. Thought I'd show you guys how I tie down. Thought I'd show you guys how I tie down the machine. I already filmed one video this morning, but I'm feeling pretty good, so I'm gonna film another. So that's what I use. I've got 4 little chains. Make life a lot easier. Compared to having a couple big heifers, I do have some big chains in the box, but I don't need those big ones. This is how I hook it up, yeah. One there. Got a good pull on it. No worries. Work and Play TV did this video the other day. His machine's a little bit cleaner off than mine. And I didn't steal this idea for this video, alright? I had the idea before you. You just, you filmed it, posted it before I did. So, but that's how I hook mine down right there. Hook the tie-in point, good sideways pull on there. Depending on where you put the machine, that seems to work out best where I got it right there. It's a little stretch long, but that thing ain't going nowhere. Forgot my little blower, so this'll buff out. See, I'm on a downhill. Look at how much that thing squished into my Scotch block there. There's the boy. People say ratchet tie downs take too long. What? 8 seconds. Now, of course, you got to have your boom held down by something. May it be for looks or legit. Now, I know what you're thinking. Why don't I use a chain and just put it over that linkage right there? Because I don't want to. It is a lot easier to just use this sucker. That thing ain't going nowhere. Wrap around the cylinder like that, not damaging the cylinder because it's a ratchet tie down. This thing's rated for 5,000 pounds. It ain't going nowhere. Got all this extra slop. Tie her off, good to go. Clean, that side's not bad at all. What the heck would he do? Clean one side off? My dad used this machine the last couple of days. Build a house pad for a lady. He's responsible for the dirt. See, again, that didn't take very long and it was way easier on me than using a snap binder. That low boy that we used the other day, he had the snap binders for putting that big X on. Man, they're just, it's so much more effort to get a big snap binder to, I mean, sure, if you get it in the sweet spot and it can just pop over. it's not a big deal, but it's so much easier to just use the ratchet binder. All right, so I got the whole machine tied down. A little bit of dirt on there, but it's not going to hurt the world. There we go, got the new sticker on there. Just double checking, make sure everything's tied down right. I'm gonna have to back up, but we're all tight and secure. This main thing to be smart about is you got to make sure that thing's not sticking way up in the air. It takes a lot for me to be, you know, over 14 feet, but man, being a dummy, I'll put that right over there, no problem. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. That's going to end this video right there. Any questions, comments, leave them below. I'm going to do a couple more videos on my setup, but that's all for how I tie it down. I'm not saying that's how you should tie it down, but that's how I do it. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hit them buttons. Thumbs up, no thumbs downs. Thumbs up everything. I appreciate the hell out of it. Subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you next time. Thank you, guys. Bye.